Up on the hill sits an old grave, name scratched out, guarded by a cat that's never blinked. They say she was a witch, cursed the town before they burned her. The grave was hidden. Then someone tried to carve her name off. Right after the name was scratched off, the cat showed up. Long black fur, green eyes, and she hasn't moved since. Someone dared to step on the grave. Mocked the legend. The cat didn't move. But the guy? Gone. Car still there, shoes still muddy. The next morning, the name was back. Perfect, etched deep. But it wasn't the name they scratched off. Some say she's the witch's familiar. Others think she's the witch. Still watching, still warning. So what is she really? Protector? Prisoner? Check the comments. Someone down there solved it.